Hello, Saddam. This is a ready hydraulic press machine. Okay, you can use this machine to press the mount into the shock absorber head. Okay. Okay, Saddam. When you receive the machine, you need to add the hydraulic oil into the machine. Okay. This is a oil cover. Okay, you open it. Here we can add the number 46 or number 68, the hydraulic oil. Okay. Uh, Now here we come to the power connected. Okay, because this machine it is 380 voltage. Here, here we supply one cable, but just four cables inside. Here you can see this is a power cable connected to your power source. Okay, here we supply the cable inside. You can see there are three live cables and one nature cables. Okay, it is better that you buy one power cables with five inside the cables, three live cables, one neutral cables, and another ground cables. Okay, so you change. It is better you change the power cable in your local, because this way it is more safe. Here we just connected three phase live cables and one neutral cables, but we don't connect the ground cables here. Okay, when you receive this machine, you buy five-piece cables. Okay, one you connected to here. It is ground cables. Okay, it is more safe to use the machine. Okay, Saddam. Now I show you how to adjust the pressure. Okay, here you can see the pressure gauge. Okay, here are two buttons. Every time you need to lose this button, and then you can start to adjust. Okay, when you receive the machine, this button it is lock. Okay, you release it, then we start to adjust the pressure. Okay, this way. When I adjust the pressure, my right hand touch this button. This is the up button, and this is the down button. Okay, I touch it. Here you can see, and I turn this button. You see the pressure is increased, and I turn anti-clockwise. It is reduced. Okay, here you see. Here you can see it can increase and reduce the pressure. Okay, but the pressure cannot be more than 14 MPa. Okay. Okay, so now we use the machine to press the mount into the shock absorber head. Okay. Here you can see. Put it inside and touch this. This is the down button. And the machine will press the mount into the head. Okay. And we also use this machine to take out the mount. Okay, you can see we finished the press. Okay.